Today, we're talking about those huge metal giants you see everywhere, power towers.
You've definitely seen it, right? But what are they really for? Let's get into it.
Okay, so their official name is transmission towers. They're basically the backbone of our power grid.
So to get what they're all about, let's break one down into its four main parts.
All the way at the top, you've got the peak. It's there to protect the whole thing from lightning. Then you have these horizontal arms, the cross arms. Their job? Keep those high voltage wires safely apart.
And the part holding up those cross arms, that's called the cage. It's like the tower's shoulders.
And the rest of it, the main structure? That's the body. It gives the tower a height.
So why all the different shapes and sizes? Well, different towers have totally different jobs to do. You've got two main players, suspension towers for the streetaways and tension towers for turning a corner. Then there are specialists. Some anchor a line at its end, others actually swap the wires around. It's not just about the job, though. What they're made of really matters too. You'll see lattice steel for raw strength, tubular steel when looks matter, and concrete for pure durability. And then you get the real showstoppers, towers built for super unique situations. They're practically landmarks.
Like, how do you get power across a huge river? You build these incredibly tall towers. That's how.
And get this, some places, like Tibet, actually design towers to look like local animals. Pretty cool. The scale here is just huge. The average distance between these towers is about 300 to 450 meters. So, they're the silent giants powering our world today. But what's going to power our future?
We are FMG Tech. Contact us for more information. Visit fmg-tech.ir.